Hey guys, how's it going? How to sell limited items on Roblox. So first of all, go to your inventory, click the three bars, and then go ahead to your inventory, or sorry, click on the avatar. Sorry, go back here, click the three bars again, and then go ahead to the avatar, and then locate the limited item that you want to actually sell. Make sure that you click that double A right here at the bottom left and click request desktop mode, and then basically click on the item that you want to trade or sell, sorry, and on the items details page, click the sell button, enter the price that you want to sell it for in Roblox, and then review the price and confirm your listing. The item will now be available for others to purchase. Make sure or check the marketplace to see what similar items are selling for to set a competitive price. Be patient, as selling limited items can take some time. That's it. Your limited item is now listed for sale on Roblox. Happy selling. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.